Hey guys, Jason here with Resp Shop. Today we're going to be looking at the DreamStation Go. We're going to look at a little bit of its attributes and how to adjust the pressure. So here we go. I'm just taking a look at it. It has very similar menu to the DreamStation. Definitely a lot sleeker. Weighs just under 2 pounds and is about 6 by 6 inches. So it's not going to take up much counter space on your nightstand. Somewhere where this machine's gonna differ from the DreamStation is that it has the interactive touchscreen, very minimalist. If you look at the cord here, there's gonna be no block power supply, so no bulky cord to carry around. Another cool thing with this machine, if you do have the humidifier feature, you do not need to put in distilled water. It is one of the only machines that is regulated to use regular tap water. And another nice little side feature is that there is a USB drive right on the side of the machine, so you can plug in any phone charger, anything like that you need to be charged while you are sleeping. Alright, so a similar problem that was happening with the DreamStation is that you go to My Settings and the whole menu is locked. You're going to want to go back. You're gonna go to My Info. So once you get back to My Info, what you're gonna do is hold the button on the side to the left. Once the gear button pops up on the top menu, you're gonna slide down and it's gonna pop open My Comfort, My Therapy menu. Here you can change it from auto, CPAP mode, anything you'd like. Once you go back, if it's in CPAP mode, it's going to be single pressure. If it's APAP mode, it's going to be 2 pressures. You're going to set your min and max. And then there's comfort, where you can adjust anything on your heating, adaptive, fixed rate, anything you want, anywhere from 1 to 5. Ramp time, 5 to 45 minutes in 5-minute intervals. On this last screen, you can also see that there is an adjustment for the size of tube. Anything you like, you can make your adjustment on this machine. This machine is very travel friendly, very discreet, has a carrying case that'll fit right into your luggage and you'll be good to go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's all we have for today. If you found this video helpful, please press that like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions or future video ideas, be sure to make a comment below and we'll be sure to address it.